All right, what's up, everyone? My name is Kamal, and welcome to Actuary Sense. In this session, I'm going to teach you how to install the main two softwares that is with respect to Python by the name as Anaconda and VS Code. Then I will also go through the in detail content that we are going to cover in this new series of Python, where I will take your skill set from zero to hero, covering basics, intermediate, advanced, and more than 7 projects covering all of the things. And the most advanced topic in Python, that is object oriented programming, or we call it OOP. Then we will cover this thing, and we will be covering a lot of projects based on data analysis, data science, mathematical computation, and most importantly stochastic modeling, cash flow modeling, where we will also learn about how to find your best estimate liabilities using the cash flows decrements available. Then we will also perform the sensitivity testing, and we are going to use a lot of technologies within Python using some of the libraries or other features available over here, such as Excel Wings, Pandas, Python. Then how we can connect our Python with VBA, the use of NumPy, how we can connect with SQL, open. So these all things we will be covering in our upcoming course. So first of all, what we have to do is we will go to Google and type download Anaconda. So in this session, I am teaching you how to install the Python in your system. So you will go to this link, free Anaconda, click on download button. All right, so when you click on this download button, the download will start. So this is the first software that you have to install. Second is type download VS Code over here, right? Then you will go to this link, VS Code, then click on this Windows, and the installation, not the installation, but the downloading for this software will also get started. So once you download these two softwares, like in my laptop, it is coming out in the downloads folder. So that is these two. So now let's install both of them step by step. So first of all, I will open the Anaconda. Okay. So it is a very big software. As we can see, it is of 805 MB. So it will take 3-4 minutes. So click on next, click on I agree, click on next. Then this is the destination where your installation setup will get completed, okay, in your C drive. Click on next. Now very important part over there, you have to tick yes to this as well. Okay, by default it is untick, but you have to make sure it is tick. We are saying add Anaconda 3 to my path environment variable. What exactly is this? I will be covering later. Now click on install. So now it will take 3-4 minutes, I would say, and this installation will get completed, and after that we will install the VS Code. All right. Okay, so this Anaconda application is completely installed. So it has taken more than 3-4 minutes. So in your case as well, it will take around 5 minutes, I will say. So once this installation is completed, click on next, and then next. Welcome to Anaconda, whatever, like click on this finish button. All right. So now the installation for Anaconda is completed. Now we will go and download this VS Code. So let's open this VS Code. So first of all, I accept the agreement, click on next. Then this is the path where it is going to save the installation files. All right, click on next. Then over here, it is very important that you have to tick yes to both of these options. Now, what is the logic of these two options? I will let you know after the installation is completed. All right, then click on next, click on install. So again, it will take some time. So let this installation will also be completed. All right, so this installation also get completed. It has taken less than 2 minutes. So after that, let's click on this finish and launch this VS Code application. Okay, so right now I am opening the VS Code application. Okay, now the point is that we have to check whether the installation is correctly installed or not. But before that, we have to first of all add one extension to this VS Code. So what we will do is, so like you click over here and then find the extension option, that is this last one. So let's go to this extension, and over here I will type Python. Okay, so this will comes up. So let's open this and install. So right now we are trying to link our Anaconda with VS Code and ensuring that we have an extension of Python which is installed within the VS Code. All right. You can read about that if you want to, but it doesn't matter. So this installation will also be completed. So now the point is that we have to ensure that both Anaconda and VS Code has correctly installed within our system, and we will try to run just one or two lines of code in both of the platforms, that is using the Anaconda and also using the VS Code. Okay, so right now it is installing for this extension within the VS Code. Let's go and type Anaconda distribution, or just type Anaconda. So you see, you will find this Anaconda navigator. Okay, so let me open this Anaconda navigator. So once you click on that Anaconda navigator, so it will take 1 minute because it is a very big application, but we are just opening this just for the first and last time. Then I will tell you what exactly you have to open, and that will not take a lot of your time. Okay. Okay, so after clicking on that Anaconda navigator, this application will get open. So it will take around 3-4 minutes to open, but that is, as I said, that this is just the first and last time we are opening this, because I want to show you something over there. So see, like when we install this Anaconda navigator, within that we can see a lot of options such as data, spell, CMD, prompt, and there are a lot of other features as well that we will find. But we are only interested within just one application from here by the name Jupyter Notebook. So that is this one. So there are two methods. Either you open this Anaconda navigator, which will take 3-4 minutes to open, and then you go to Jupyter Notebook and click on launch. So this notebook will get opened. We will spend a lot of our time on this Jupyter Notebook platform while creating the codes, and especially when we reach the advanced level, then we will learn how we are gonna use the VS Code. All right. So instead of opening this Jupyter Notebook application from the Anaconda navigator, we will try to open this application using the start menu, and that is something I will show you right now. So let's close this, and I will go and type Jupyter Notebook. Okay, so you will open this. So this is the option that will only come once you have installed the Anaconda. Okay, because this is the application which is within the Anaconda navigator. So once you click on this, it is going to open your C drive within the concerned browser. So like in my case, my browser is Google Chrome. So you can see that it has opened automatically the C drive for me. So let's say I will go to this desktop, and within this desktop, like I already have some Python script saved over here. So let's say I will open this lecture 2. So it is opening right now. So in the meanwhile, let's say if I want to open a blank notebook, okay, so I will go and click on this new, and then click on this Python 3. So it is going to open the blank notebook for me, but over here I have already opened the pre-existing Python script which was saved in my desktop folder. So I will go over here. You can see that this is the Python code which is written already. You don't have to worry about anything. We will cover each and every stuff. All right. So what I will do is, so I am over here. Now I want to ensure that the Python Jupyter Notebook is installed correctly. What I will do is, let's say I will type print welcome to Actuary Sense. Let's say whether it is going to print or not. I can see that it has print this answer for me where I have used the print command. So basically I am just right now in this video, I am only checking and installing the concerned software for our entire Python programming that we are going to perform. So now with this, we are pretty much sure that the Jupyter Notebook is installed. Now let's come back to the VS Code. We can see that this extension has already been installed. So we are over here, click on this button. Okay. Now from here, you can select where you want to save or open your Python script. So these are two methods, right? You can do it whether using the Jupyter Notebook, but this is not the exact Python script. These are the notebooks. What exactly is the difference? I will come to that later on. Now let's open this VS Code and let's click on this open folder, and let's say we will select the desktop, select this folder. Okay. So now we are just trying to ensure that this installation is also completely installed. So I will click on this plus button and I will name it as, let's say, test.py. Okay, so always remember that the extension, but when I say extension over here, it means, so for example, in case of Excel, we call it XLSX. In case of macro related VBA based file, we call it XLSM. Similarly, for the Python scripts, we call it .py. All right. So I have installed this over there. So let's try to write the same command. Let's say over there, print welcome to Actuary Sense on VS Code. Okay. Let's say I just write this one line, pretty simple line, and click on this button, and this is going to trigger my Python script, and over here I will be able to see the result. Okay, so you can see the result is over there, that welcome to Actuary Sense on VS Code. So now we are ensured that both of these applications have been completely installed in your system and efficiently. So congratulations. Now let's come to what exactly we are going to cover in this new series of Python for actuaries. All right, so I have created this document for you where I will be, let me show you quickly what we are going to cover. So you can see like this is the installation guide and get started. So this is something that we have done in this video, and there are a lot of other things that we will be covering over here. That is the modules, data types. So these are all basics, then followed by the intermediate knowledge. Then we will be covering a lot of libraries with all of you. Right now you will be able to see only the 5 projects over there, but technically I will be covering more than that. So let's say if I go to desktop Python, so you see like apart from these 4-5 projects, after that we will start with the most advanced concept, that is the uh, OOP, as I discussed earlier, that is the object oriented programming, where we will cover the basics of OOP, which is like in case of Python, it is the most advanced topic. Then on that basis, we will create 2 further projects. So basically 5 projects over here and then 2 more. In total 7 projects that we will create. And in this, we will learn how to perform the actuarial based cash flow modeling, sensitivity testing, how we can find the best estimate liabilities. And then we will also learn about how to do the financial analysis, Monte Carlo simulation, stochastic simulations. All right, so I hope that you all enjoyed this video, and make sure to install within your system. And if you are able to learn something over here, then make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel by the name Actuary Sense. And by the way, we just crossed 2,000 subscribers. All right, next is definitely you can follow us on our Instagram page by the name Actuary Sense, and definitely on LinkedIn as well. So I hope that you all enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Cheers.